Guys, may nakita akong ano, unique na fruit. Mayroong fruit dito na hakain. Ayan na. What fruit is this?
Fruit jungle.
Fruit jungle?
Yes.
Oh, is it hard?
Sweet.
Oh.
White.
White inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dalawa.
Mga nilala ko ito may...
You can.
Ken? One? No, how much? No, I want to try different jungle fruit.
10 ringgit.
Huh? 10 ringgit? Huh? 10 ringgit. Only one pieces. How much? No, one only. But it's okay. Also have here, but I don't know what kind of fruit.
Buka lah, tengok.
This one. See different fruit. Hard siya, hard.
Ya, isi tu kecil-kecil tu.
Durian.
Tapi mula jatuh tu keras sikit.
Ayan, si Bernard's favorite durian. I want to eat but...
Besar lah dia.
Oh, sweet lah.
Oh, just $10 try lah. Hah? Ya, tinggal.
Ya memang nipis.
Hah? Taste okay, but ini
Durian bukit memang nipis, bukan macam itu kawin punya ini macam. Ngam lah ini durian bukit macam ni nipis. Aneh mencat.
Let's try their durian.
So tata leh mana leh betul.
try lah. Ini banyak sana ni.
Jungle. Oh, like that. Thank you. So this looks like, guys. Looks like santol. Wow. Oh.
Bidyan na pa. Like santol also.
Oh, really?
Sour but sweet. Like santol. Sour and sweet. Thank you.
Sour and sweet. Ano eh? Monica. Nakahingi ng free. Guys, oh, very cute. Wow. This guy give me this one. Oh. Ah.
Ikaw muna pag mamatay ka.
Monica don't want to eat it first. She said me first. Let's try it. Wait. Takin yung turus doon. You take this one there? Oh. Doon daw, doon. Doon. Kinukuha daw doon. Ito. Oh, Monique. Wait, yung isa. Ayun, ang cute. Oh.
Mabait naman ni tatay. Para naman itong sampalok.
Para siyang sampalok. Pero sweet, yung matamis na sampalok siya.
Sakman ate.
Ayan, mga ka-gorgeous people. Mayroong binigay si tatay dito. Andito kami sa bundok, Malaysia. At saka binigyan niya ako neto. Libre lang. Yung laman niya is this one. Ayan o. Ayan. Ang taste niya is para siyang sampalok na matamis. Ayan. Matamis. Basta sampalok siya. Ayan, ito yung kinukuha. Para siyang tibig. tibig pero iba siya brown, oh. Tapos pag ano, kapag pinisil mo siya matigas. Yan. Tapos yung amoy. First time to eat this one. Only here in Malaysia. I don't know if we have this one in Philippines. Yan. Pero ganito lang siya kalala. Yung laman niya ganito siya. Ang cute.
I think the white one. Wipes or what?
White. You wanna try?
Banana.
Different fruit.
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Rubbish lah.
Rubbish daw.
Rubbish tu.
No lah, I must try the different fruit. This is first time. Bye bye.